What are they?
Birdies.
Birdies. And what's...
Ducks.
Ducks, yeah.
Baby ducks.
Baby ducks. And what's this one?
I got it.
A what?
I got it.
And what's this one? Pardon? A cormorant. And what's that one? You've drawn on there. What's that one called? A heron. And what's this one?
A brown
A
heron.
brown heron. And what's that?
A feathered heron.
And what's this one?
A reed.
No, that's a egret.
Egret.
And what's that one?
A nighttime heron.
A nighttime heron. And what's this one?
A sheep.
A what?
A squacker.
A squacko heron.
What are you doing? A
He's
boo.
walking on the grass. And what's that one?
A boo spoon.
No, a spoonbill.
A spoon bill.
Oh, look at these here. What's these?
Fingers.
Flamingos. And what are they doing?
Put head over water.
They put their heads underwater. Oh, look who's there.
Shirley.
Shirley.
Swan.
Shirley Swan. Oh, look what Grandad's found. Bet you don't know this one. Come and see this one. What's this one called?
A grandad goose.
A grey-lag goose. Clever girl. What about this one?
A Canada geese.
A Canada geese. And what's that one?
A barnacle goose.
A barnacle goose. And what's this one?
A duck.
What kind of duck? What kind of duck is it?
Cassie.
Yeah, there. What kind is it? Is there?
Ducks.
What kind of duck?
Pintail.
A pintail duck. You clever girl. And what's that one?
A widgeon.
A widgeon. And what's... Tell Grandad what this one is. Oh, that's a bad cough. What's that one?
A shiver duck.
A shiver duck? No, that's not a shiver. That's a shoveler. A shoveler. That's a shoveler. And what's... Find one, what you might know. Do you know what this one's called?
A mandarin duck.
A mandarin duck.
Well
And what about
done.
him? What's he called?
A golden eye.
A golden-eyed duck. Wow. See if there's any more that you know. Oh, we know some eagles, don't we? Do you know what? I'll find one that I think you'll know. Further on. What about...
Eagles.
Yeah, I know you know the eagles, but what's this one?
Oh,
What's that one?
snowy owl.
A snowy owl.
Well done.
And what's that one?
A barnacle goose.
No, what's that one? He's an owl. What is he? What is he? He's got a face like a clock. And he's a... What kind of owl?
Barn owl.
That's
Well
it.
done.
You're a clever girl.
Owl.
I think that's the end for tonight. Say,
Give yourself a clap, Frankie.
say night-night, birdies.
Night, night, birdies.
Where are we going?
They're going to Beebo's. The birdies are going to Beebo's.
We'll do some more tomorrow.
The end.